Welcome back. About 2 years ago, Conscience ventured into merchandising with a t-shirt line. Now the dancehaller has not only stamped his brand on another line of merchandise. The Gala Bubble DJ has extended the Conscience brand to an outlet where consumers can access these products.
Yo, me and me girl scratch me. God do me and me girl scratch me. And my grandmother tell me say this mean money. Grandma tell me say this mean money.
And joins us right now to talk about these new developments in his brand as well as other things. Conscience right now on stage. Conscience. Blessed love, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, so this is suggesting, sir, that such was the success of the t-shirt line, you had to put more investments in merchandising.
No.
Correct?
This is a totally different venture. You understand?
Yes.
The t-shirt line was basically sidelining because of the demand for me overseas. So I have to do all about to do the show, and there was no time to focus on the clothing line.
So it
this
failed.
time,
The t-shirt
it didn't fail because the first batch gone with flying colors, but the comeback would have required a lot of attention from me.
Okay.
And that was where I didn't have the attention. You understand? This now is Cons 876, the shoe line.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
it's Cons 876,
Yeah.
a shoe line.
Yes.
And just in case people are wondering why our set looked like this week,
Like a marketplace.
there's some
Yeah.
examples of what this line looks like. It's a shoe line only.
For now, yes. So you hear me now? You're at the offices of Cons 876.
And the outlet, why did you decide to put up your own outlet for it?
Just the seriousness of the product. You understand? This is a product that we want to, is not a here today, gone tomorrow thing. So it's only natural that the people are going to need a place where them go directly to get this product. There's an online site, www.cons876.com, and this is just a physical place where people can go.
So will other retailers be carrying it? Or-
Yes, they will.
They will. It will
Yeah,
allow
but this is
people
like
to
the
have-
headquarters of the show.
Okay. All right. So it's just one outlet. Would one get special rates, special price at your outlet? Or?
No plans for that yet. You understand? The store just opening up. The launch is the 13th in the quad the following day in Mobay at Danway. So we're still in the development stages.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how involved are you in the design, in the marketing
Very
of
much.
this?
Very much. I have partners. You understand? And these partners are, well, all of us are successful businessmen. So, you know, so when I have our time for waste, are the people in time for waste. So this is
Okay.
very serious. We have equal share and equal interest in the business. So we share all thoughts, design, promotion, everything.
So you're actually designing shoes?
Yes, we are designing shoes. Yeah.
You're telling, you're in a meeting, you're saying to people, this is the style I want. I want it to be like this, to
Yeah,
look
man,
like
I'm my
this.
brand. So, you know, say, I'm the face of the brand.
Yes?
So these shoes will have to represent me.
So this is not just an endorsement.
No, this is no endorsement.
A conscience fronting something.
From the ground up, me and my partners.
Okay. So you're always conscious of this, of wanting to be in the merchandising, into expanding your brand and to basically make money.
It's a matter of building dancehall and brand Jamaica too,
Yes.
as well, because I think this is one of the only genres that is really big out in the world, but not really capitalizing on the pulling power.
Okay.
You understand, and the appeal. So this is just one of the ways where we can build it and show that dancehall music is not just the music or just a hustle. You understand? We build it and try to take it international.
Okay. So who are some of the who are the other partners?
They don't want to get themselves mentioned yet.
Oh. So they are the ones who are hiding.
Them are the silent partners.
They're silent.
Yeah, but very active.
Okay. And but your involvement is from designing right up to the consumer.
Yeah.
So whatever we like or don't like about it, we're
We
going
have
to
to bear the pain.
you have to take
Yeah,
it the
man.
lick. You can't pass it off and nobody else.
Yeah, man.
All right. So and it's available already. It's out ready.
It has been available online for a while now, and the store is today.
today.
Yeah.
It's open today.
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
about price in comparison to what's out there already or similar lines?
They're high-end shoes, you understand, but They're affordable. People that buy shoes know say them price of the shoes still.
So-
Nobody laugh. Online it's 129.
Oh my
And
goodness.
that give you free shipping anywhere in the world. In Jamaica it's $100.
So when I'm gonna wear this, I'm gonna wear.
Yeah, man,
them
I don't
stepping
joke
up.
thing, man.
Stepping up.
I don't know, joke thing, yeah man.
All right, sir. All right, cool. All right, so sum up for me the career so far for 2030.
Very good. No complaints. Still not comfortable.
Yes.
But very happy with all the achievements. You understand? I come from New York for the Labor Day, a string of shows. All successful. Before that was London, success. Before that was Uganda. Well, we had about over 60,000 people come out for see Conscience. And
You
Alain
alone
was there.
pulled out
Me and Alain.
60,000
Over that, but you don't know.
with a lane. Wow, that sounds good.
So, outer road work I go on. Yeah. In a Jamaica work I go on too. I'm come to beef up the work in Jamaica as well. So,
So there's growth over last year.
definitely.
But why do you say you're not comfortable yet?
You can never be comfortable or complacent. There's always a higher level that you need to go to.
Yes.
And I'm never happy with just being at this level and you can make ends meet and you can do some charity thing and the people come out and it work. But there's always a higher level and I aim for that.
Yes, talk a little bit more about that because over the years we've seen many artists, very good artists, who get into what we call the middle order of dancehall, but never really got up to the next level, that upper level, which only a few, I think it's about 20 odd of them have made it up to that top. Where would you see you now? Where do you see you in the scheme of that?
I think for artists that have been in the middle order, as you say, and not up to the top, I think it's a mixture because some people have different priorities.
Yes.
You understand? A man can make ends meet, him have his fans, his loyal fans, so he can get comfortable with that. And then some man just don't love it that much to do that level of dedication if you take it to the top. So for me, stages. You understand? Where I'm at right now is I have a huge following. I have a huge fan base and I really supply them. But I look towards taking it to that higher point right now. We're moving out and carrying the flag more.
We are not questioning the supply. The supply is absolutely more than anyone could ask you for.
Yeah.
And we noticed that there's a new album coming or is already
No,
out.
there's no new album. There's Focus on Mental Maintenance. The same album.
Same album?
Yeah.
Yes. But tracks I'm hearing were not out. So why do you say it's not? I heard a mixtape full of new stuff. So,
This is dancehall. Our thing is always changing.
So it's not an album. It's just
This is not
tracks
an
are
album. I
dropped
just
and
sang
you
for the
just
people. Them that. This is
So-
not an album. This is not a piece of work that you put together and say, well, I try to sell to the people.
Yes.
This is just songs that are promoting conscience and do song for the people them love to as well.
And how are they being received? Because I think I'm hearing a lot of them being played. Is that so? Are
Very
they getting
well.
the rotation
Very well.
locally?
Very well, both locally and internationally. People them love them and we can't ask for more than that from them.
All right. So, well, my brethren, I can only wish you well with the growth, the next level that you want to take it, because we believe that you are a serious recording artist. You do not, you are not embroiled in controversies, and so on. And maybe that's why you're probably not shot up. You didn't shoot up to the top immediately. Because we've seen people who have shot up into that upper chamber, as we call it. And it's more because of controversy and rivalry than musical accomplishment, so to speak.
To each his own.
Yes.
Yes, and everything will make for everybody.
All right. So what's next for you? What's the last quarter looking like for you?
There is the Kanzi 876, the Kanzi 876, the Kanzi 876.
That's the
the
focus
shoe
right
line.
now.
No, but man, I really a shoes man still, you know. I really music there at the forefront, but this is half of the focus. The next half we just focused on doing great songs to the people and keep on the same track I'm on. Step by step I grow in front of the people.
Are you likely to go into other clothing line, like shirts and pants?
It's definitely open.
Open?
Yeah. Because once the demand is there, we're going in it.
So all we see in the store right now, one would see in the store right now would be just shoes.
All you have to do is come to the store and look.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Come by the store, come look. All right, so we're definitely coming. All right, so where is the store located exactly?
It's at 13 West Kings House Road, shop number 8.
13 West Kings House Road.
Yeah.
in Kingston.
Yes.
The only place you can get the shoes right now.
Physically. Not
Physically
online.
right
Yeah.
now. But it will be available in other outlets
Definitely.
eventually.
Yeah, man.
All right, there you have it. Cons 876, Conscience on our stage. Winford Williams, on behalf of all of us, thanking you for joining us. Do join us again next week for more On Stage.
Every man to a girl, couple up, couple up, couple up, couple up. Every girl to a man, couple up, couple up, couple up, couple up. And anytime she fling it on the right, you pick her leg, keep on your left. And when she tell you say your body, tell her say she a the best. Couple up, couple up, couple up, couple up. Girl, you know your body good when you want to touch the road. Girl, you know your body good when you want to touch the road. Girl, you know your body good when you want to touch the road. Girl, you know your body good when you want to touch the road. Girl, them come out in them numbers, in them group and them clique and them clan, the whole of them hot like fire. And when me see them in them shorts and bikini, if me say me nah lost, I woulda be a damn liar. Well, anything me say, that the gal them a say, gal them a follow back, and me that means say me a the leader. Phone call, 10 more girls coming over, and me friend them a drink and a turn over. Every man to a girl,